Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Webtech Tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to change your address on Mint Intuit. So let's go ahead and jump straight into the video. Launch open a web browser and type in mint.intuit.com and press enter on your keyboard. Soon after you end up in the official website, click the sign in button at the top right hand corner and follow through the sign in prompts like you normally do. Once signed into the account, click on the Intuit account button at the bottom left hand corner. This will then open up your overview page. Scroll down and click on the profile option. Inside the profile tab, go ahead and click on your address. Select your country from the drop down that you would want to change to and then enter your street address, the name of your city, your state, and then your postal code. Make sure to enter all of the details. Finally, after filling all of the details in the text boxes, click on save and you'll be able to update or change your address. You can get back to this page anytime and repeat the same step in order to change to a new address again if you want in the future. So that was how you can easily change your address on Mint Intuit. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I'll see you again in the next video. Goodbye till then.